Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, and today I want to talk to you about what is the very first step you as a DIYer or as a homeowner who have mold in your crawl space, what is the very first thing you or the contractor should do to address mold in the crawl space? Stay tuned. So if you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about everything related to attics, basements, crawl spaces, and ductwork, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and ring that notifications bell. Okay, so we get asked all the time through our DIY store and through our YouTube comments about what's the very first thing you should do to address mold in the crawl space. And most of the companies agree that applying a disinfectant or things like that should be done immediately, but we tend to go a different route. We feel like the very first thing that should be done in the crawl space is to control humidity, okay? That is actually mold protocol. So what you want to do is if you see evidence of mold in the crawl space, you want to get yourself a wood moisture meter and see if the wood moisture levels are high. Anything above 20%, according to experts, can grow wood rot fungus, okay? So that's like termites being inside the wood. It's destroying the wood from the inside out and really affecting the integrity of your flooring system. So if you go in there and you spray some kind of chemical or even soda blast without lowering that wood moisture level and controlling humidity, it's going to come back pretty rapidly, especially if you never install a dehumidification system, okay? Remember, the reason why there's mold there is because you have a moisture problem, and most of the time, the moisture problem has not been corrected. So you need to correct that first before you address the mold problem. So my name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. Great question out there, all you DIYers and homeowners looking to improve your crawl space, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.